7005 divided by 9. First, we're going to start off setting it up with 7005 on the inside, 9 on the outside, and if you need your multiplication facts, have them handy. If not, remember your 9 times tables are always on your hands. You're also going to need the steps of divide, multiply, subtract, repeat, and check. So let's start off dividing in our first place value. Our greatest place value is the thousands place. So if we have 7 babies and 9 people, we cannot share those babies evenly. So everyone would get 0. If you need to, put your zeros here to be a placeholder so then you know which place value you're in. If not, just know that you need to go on to the hundreds place. So now that we're in the hundreds place and we have some left over from the thousands that we didn't use, we have 70 babies and 9 people. If I look at my times tables, 72 is too many. So I have to go to 63. That's skip counting 7 times. But remember, we're in the hundreds place, so really that's worth 700. 9 times 7 is 63 plus 2 zeros. When we go to subtract, you gotta watch and be careful because if I have 5 cupcakes and I eat 0 of them, I still have 5 cupcakes. If I have 0 cupcakes and I eat 0 of them, I have 0. But if I have 0 cupcakes and I want to eat 3 of them, that's not possible. So I have to share or borrow from this neighbor. He would become a 6, this one would become 10. 10 cupcakes and I eat 3 of them, I'd be left over with 7. Now we're ready to repeat back to division because we just did our subtraction. So I have 70 because I know I'm now in my tens place with my leftovers right here. So closest I can get to 70, same thing, 63. So that was 70 because we're in the tens place. 7 times 9 is 63 plus a 0. Then when we go to subtract, same thing, watch out for that silly mistake. 5 minus 0 is 5. If I have 0 cupcakes and I want to eat 3 of them, I have to borrow from a neighbor. So this guy becomes a 6, this one becomes a 10. 10 cupcakes minus 3 gives me 7. Now we just subtracted. So let's repeat back to division. We have, see, we're in the ones place, but we have leftover tens. So now we have 75 babies and 9 people that we're going to share evenly. So if we look, the closest we could share evenly is 72. That's skip counting 8 times. 8 times 9 is 72. When we subtract, we're left over with 3. Now we have no more place values, so let's do our last step of check. Is 3 smaller than 9? Yes, so it's our remainder. Our answer comes from right over here. Remember, the 0 in the thousands place doesn't have any value because it's at the front. So we have 778 with a remainder of 3.